Hello everybody, how are you? Today's my lunch side dish is boiled radish and carrot. Ingredients for 2 persons: half of radish 600 gram, 2 carrots 350 gram, 1 onion, bonito stock 100 cc, sugar 1 teaspoon, soy sauce 1 teaspoon, water 500 cc. How to cook radish and carrots. Oh, it's easy. Just peel them by veggie peeler. Peel carrot. And radish too. Eat easy, but need time. Maybe 40 minutes. There you are, the completion of cooking radish and carrots. Smells good. Okay.
Fermentation happens at warmer temperatures.
I
so
serve it myself.
Within 48 to 72 hours, it's going to start to bubble. And so that brings us to how we maintain our starter. Now we have to feed it. I would say this is the most high maintenance part of sourdough, but it's only about 2 weeks. So I've got another bowl here, and this is a starter that I made about 48 hours ago. I would let it go a little bit more, but you can see it's definitely a different texture from what we had before it.
This is my main dish: steamed rice, and side dish: boiled radish and carrot. Enjoy it. Bon appetit. Itadakimasu.